Hey friends, real quick, it's real late at night and I am tired, but I wanted to share this really quick, easy upcycle for beginners. For starters, upcycles do not always have to require a lot of deconstruction and reconstructing of the garment in order for it to be upcycled. This is a good example of that. What I've done is simply cut the collar off of this shirt. So here's the collar. I just went in with my scissors and cut really, really closely without cutting into this top stitching. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in and I am going to add some lace at the top. This is going to be my new collar. So I'm going to take this lace trim. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to fold it under and I'm going to top stitch this down so that that edge is nice and neat and flat. Then I'm going to just come in on the wrong side that's closest to the neck and I'm going to top stitch that on all the way around the neckline. Oh, honey, let's take a look. This is so fine. I think this has caused me to get a second wind. I was sleepy, but now I just have a burst of energy. Look at how pretty this is. Ooh, honey. Okay, making sure I could still utilize that top button. Ooh. Oh, man. Okay. That by itself is just a beautiful upcycle. I mean, just by doing that, you have a whole new vibe. You have a whole new look. I think we're going to continue on. So now it's time to figure out how I'm going to add it coming down the front. So that was actually the collar stand that I sewed that on. I removed the collar, sewed lace on the collar stand. Now I'm using the side that has the buttonholes because it's going to go on the top. So I've decided to just go ahead and take my lace, turn it under, stitch that down. I'm going to come toward the edge, sewing on the side that has the buttonholes because it will be the top side. I want to make sure I can still button this without any issues. And I'm going to top stitch on the edge, steering clear of my buttonhole. I'm going to just top stitch all the way down. And then we'll see if we can do something in addition to this. Okay, friends, to finalize this upcycle, we're just going to add some trim to the edge of our sleeve cuff. Again, I'm going to turn this one under so I have a nice finished edge. I'm going to stitch that down after I top stitch it on. So you can decide based on your lace if you want your lace to set on the right side of your fabric or on the wrong side. It's really just a it's really just a design choice. So this is the only maneuver you'll need to make for this entire upcycle. Straight stitching, lace or trim of your choice onto your garment. And I removed my collar. That's optional. You don't have to do that part of your garment if you don't want. You can find this lace trim at Hobby Lobby. It's dyeable. I think I'm going to go back and buy more of it and just dye it in different colors to use in several of my projects. It does go on sale for 40 to 50% off about every other week at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, stitch and go. Wrong stitch. Turn it back to a straight stitch. I had it on zigzag for when I finish this. I do this part on a zigzag. And I apologize for my unattractive nails right now. It is gardening season, honey, and your girl went and dug up about 30 pounds of potatoes today, and my Yukon Golds are beautiful. Woo! So that's why my nails are looking so bad. But you get the idea here. Okay, my friends, here is the finished product. You can see here where it's been stitched down. I mean, you really can't even see the stitching. Just wanted to give you guys a close-up so you could see how I stuck to the very edge here for stitching on the lace. I didn't want to put it on and model it for you because this one already has a buyer. It is sold. I just need to call her and tell her it's ready for pickup. But the lace trim really added an element of beauty and elegance. Again, this is a really, really quick and very satisfying upcycle. Wearing this, you just feel so feminine and so elegant. Let me give you the longer view. So yeah, Princess is wearing it for you guys. And Wendy and Lisa over in the corner over there, they getting all salty about it. They starting to complain and say they wanted to wear the new blouse, but you know, girls, the reason why y'all ain't wearing it because y'all ain't got no arms, okay? Princess has arms. So don't be hating. You know, sometimes somebody got something that you ain't got. You can't be hating on them for what they got that you ain't. Come on, girls. Now, I taught y'all better than that. Y'all been with me too long. Y'all good to go. I take y'all everywhere I go. I took y'all to Fashion Week, okay? I didn't even take Princess to Fashion Week. I took y'all. Y'all was modeling all them clothes at Fashion Week. Oh, Lisa, why you over here in the corner crying? You modeling the crossbody bag, sis. You modeling the crossbody. Why you upset? Because you ain't got the white blouse on. Boo, boo. You ain't got no arms, boo. Come on, boo. And you holding down my much treasured tape measures. Wendy, why you upset? Now, y'all know I done taught them girls better than that. Anyway, let me go ahead and get my girls together. We want happy family up in here. I promise. I promise. Peace and blessings, y'all.